going to talk to you about in Canva where you can create videos using AI. So if you search the internet, Canva or somewhere else for a video and you can't find it, you may decide to make this your first choice for creating an AI video. It's a great tool. It's still in its infancy. They do give you a warning about faces may not look normal. So quality check your work or the work of the Canva AI. You will see a list at the end of this video for Canva tutorials. So if you go to Elements, generate your own, type in the text box whatever you want. You can click on where it says square, style, and select different types of videos. So tapped on there and then generate video. So you can select your videos as different types, like normal videos, and you can go through the list and check it out. To make this video shorter, I'm just showing you a quick generation of a video. So if you just tap on the video, it will put it onto the workspace. You can generate more videos if you're not happy with this one. Or you can go back. You can download it. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe.